A feature that I find really helpful in Canva is the ability to take colors that are in an element that I bring into my design and match it to my background and other aspects of what I'm trying to create. So let me give you an example. In this design here, you can see on the bottom, I brought in an element from the Canva library. So it's kind of this bird's eye view of the world. And you can see on the horizon, there's this kind of purplish hue. So what I want to do is I want to match the background of this design, this white part on top, to that purplish hue. So when I click on the background here on top, and I click up here on color, you can see all of those element colors right here. So that purple, the greens, all of those colors, the yellows are all brought in to this color palette, which is super helpful. So if I'm wanting to match fonts to this element or the background, I can pull these colors. So let me show you an example. So if I click on this purplish hue, you can see it's pretty close to this horizon. The difference is in the horizon, there's a little bit of pink pulled through because it's showing a little variation in color because of the sky. What I can do is I can play around with that. And if I wanted, I could go back to my background and maybe choose background that has a little bit of variation to it. So now you can see it's a little too light, but if I go back to my colors again and play around with some of these different colors in the photo and layer it over that, I might get something close to what I'm seeing in the element. So here's an example of me layering over one of the photo colors over that variated background, and you can see the effect that it has. Now sometimes, you'll see a little bit of a break between the element and the background, but you can put maybe a dotted line or something there to break that up if you chose to. But it's very, very faint. You can hardly see it. So that is something that really will be helpful for you when you are trying to complement colors within a design that you're creating and really bring out those colors of elements that you're using. So enjoy. I hope this tip helps.